Today is July 21st, 2018, and we got the load back from Powder Coat. So let's see what we got. They had it shrink wrapped for me when I got there, so we're gonna unload it and unpack it all. But at first glance, appears to be pretty good. All right, we're back, and I got everything unloaded and unwrapped. Really pleased with the job. I went with a gloss black. I like gloss black. Some people say satin or semi and all that, but I like gloss. So we got the two-piece drive shaft. Has lower A-arms. As you can see, they came out really nice. Trailing arms, handlebar, transmission mount at the uppers, cross shaft, spindles and springs. We got the Pesco setup. May or may not use that. At the rear end, I didn't bother unwrapping that because that's got a couple weeks before we put that back together. Let's go check out the frame. Frame came out really good. Gloss black, of course. It's nice and clean, ready to be assembled. Got it here on the back porch. Running out of room here in the shop. We got the 4 on the rotisserie. Running out of room because we turned the shop into a batting cage, but we still gonna make it happen. So on this powder coat deal, my advice, if anybody's looking to get powder coat, is I would go with an industrial powder coater. The place I used, they do offshore valves and compressor parts, big parts, and they do these on this type of stuff on the side for cash. I got the wheel wells and the radiator support and the wheels in the garage. I mean, everything looks the same. Everything came out. I mean, it's like brand new. It's better than brand new in my opinion. But I had some wheels powder coated for my Camaro. I got a 2017 Camaro, and I took it to a place that does automotive, quote, automotive powder coating. Came out okay. Wanted a gloss black, ended up with about a satin finish. So it's not necessarily always where you go. You know, this guy specializes in automotive and advertises this and that, but the end result was mediocre. I mean, they still look good, but I wanted them gloss. And then on top of that, they put about 2 pounds of weights on them, and I had to go to somebody that knows what they're doing to rebalance the wheels because I don't have a machine here. So it cost me more money. End result is industrial powder coat. Has nothing to do with automobiles. Save a bunch of money. I'm not going to say exactly what I paid, but it was well under $1,000 for the frame, entire chassis, radiator support, wheel wells, 4 wheels, hood latch, hood hinges, everything on the previous video. I was well under $1,000. So I mean, I got quotes anywhere from $1,400 to $2,500, and this is about the 3rd round that I've done with this company, and the results are always very good. And so shop around, look for something industrial. They have big sandblasters, big ovens, and they do the job just the same. In fact, I think this is pretty good because it's very glossy. You can see. I'm happy with it for what I paid. Under $1,000. I mean, you couldn't even. You buy a gallon of epoxy primer, and by the time you clean it and got your hours in it, you probably come out spending more than just dropping this off and getting it done. So that's it for now. Next video we'll start assembling it. Stay tuned.